This thing is running like crazy here for the simple fact that we have this issue right here. You hear that? That means the PCV valve is shot. And the PCV valve is actually right there. Let's see if I can. Here's an update on that Chevy Cruze. After I replaced the valve cover, which has the PCV valve inside, that hard, nasty shape has went away. And it's nice and smooth. It is. Job well done.